All right, we'll try to talk through some tricks. So first thing we do is the my famous little dive stuff, power loop. All right, do a trippy spin. Oh fudge, yeah. Kinda, you know, like a half trippy. Rubik's Cube. We'll do a Emlyn. All right, we'll do a power emblem flip thing. Crashing to the ground, that's my favorite. Turtle mode, man, I use that all the time. Here we go, here we go. All right. It's like a, here we could do, oh boy. I'm trying to do a power loop. All right, here we do a power loop. Oh boy, and then we'll do a Maddie flip. Get some little action on the end. All right, we could do a split S, right? And then we can do a roll the other way. We could do a juicy flip. And we can do inverted yaw spin. All right, and then we can do tree dive gap. All right. I like this thing. It's oh, Nikes. Well, okay, I'll do it again. So it's like you go under some tricks. I don't even know what they're called. Do a yaw. Oh yeah, we could do like a yaw tracking. Let's do a yaw tracking. So we'll go up here, yaw tracking. Yaw tracking. Emlyn. Man, I just love these. We got the big oily solemn. Got tree gap. Whatever that is. Do a sideways power loop thing. Yeah, those are like not good. All right, and then we'll do we could do like a backflip to an inverted thing. I like the backflips; those are cool. Oh, my battery's just done. All right. Wrap this up with a little that was a great little ending. Let's just end it right there, boys. Good night.